I want to thank the thousands, the tens of thousands actually, who have watched my e-bikes for seniors guide on YouTube. And this is going to show you the advantages and some of the disadvantages of the fat tire bike. It's a fatter tire, obviously. The small fat tire bike is lower to the ground. Everything about it is lower to the ground. The seat can be lower to the ground. The tires, the whole frame is lower to the ground. And that means as you're riding it along, your feet can be flat on the ground whenever you want. So if I'm, biking along and I want to stop all of a sudden because there's a deer in front of me or something, I can slide forward, or I can just sit on the seat and stop. Let me show you the sitting on the seat and stopping. There we go. So if I want to come up and then stop, simple as that. Thanks to Geeson Bikes for this very helpful graphic. 5'5" people to 6'5" people can ride this bike. The seat can be cranked up to 46 inches, the handlebars up to 50 inches. Now, if you want power before you pedal, remember that you can get that power right from startup. So imagine you're even starting on a slight hill. Like my friend Teddy here, you can just zip along without pedaling. You just use your handlebar accelerator and away you go. That can be, well, very helpful. If you have too much power, it creates a problem. You have a heavier bike, it's harder to pedal instead of easy rolling, and you'll probably want to have that power on all the time, so you're not going to get much exercise. And there's the wait for folding up the bike and putting it in the trunk to consider. Sort of rolling the bike towards you. That half while you hold the other one.
Just like that, and you're ready to load it in your car.
How big a tire do you need? This is a full 4 inches.
If you get tired, you can just use the power assist, or you can pedal, and you don't have to be an exercise enthusiast just to go out and have fun.